Okay, this is techniques for business decision 2. The chapter name is Statistical Quality Control. This is the syllabus introduced by Kompu University for 6th semester for BBA course. This is session number 39. So in this session we can cover meaning, definition and advantages of statistical quality control. So in this session we can cover meaning of quality and control and meaning of quality control and factors affecting objectives and functions of quality control. Next is meaning, definitions of statistical quality control and advantages of SQC is nothing but statistical quality control. The learning objective of this session, these concepts help the student to be familiar with the term meaning of quality and meaning of control. Next is meaning of quality control. Next is factors affecting objectives and functions of quality control, meaning and definition of statistical quality control, advantages of statistical quality control. This helps the student to understand the concept of statistical quality control. The session outcome: at the end of this session, the student should be able to understand the concept of meaning of quality and control, meaning of quality control, factors affecting objectives and functions of quality control, meaning and definition of statistical quality control, advantages of statistical quality control. This session outcome finally should also be able to express their opinion regarding the statistical quality control. So before we know the statistical quality control, the first you should know the definition of quality. So ಸಂಖ್ಯಾಶಾಸ್ತ್ರವನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯು ನೋಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನೋ ದ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಮೊದಲು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ quality is closely allied to cost and customer needs. Quality may simply be defined as fitness for the purpose at lowest cost. The component is said to possess good quality if it works well in equipment for which it is meant. Quality is thus defined as fitness for purpose. Quality is the totality of features and characteristics both for the products and services that can satisfy both explicit and implicit needs of the customers. Quality of any product is regarded as the degree to which it fulfills the requirements of the customer. Quality means the degree of perfection. Quality is not absolute, but it can only be judged or realized by comparing with standards. It can be determined by some characteristics, namely design, size, material, chemical composition, mechanical functioning, workmanship, finish and other properties. That means ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೇವಲ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಅಳೆಯೋದಾದರೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅಂಶವನ್ನು ಗಮನಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಿನ ಡಿಸೈನ್, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಿನ ಸೈಜ್, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಿನ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಿನ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಿನ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಿಂಗ್, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಮನ್ಶಿಪ್, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಿನ ಫಿನಿಶ್, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೆಜರಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಫಿನಾಮಿನನ್. ಇಟ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್, ಹೌ ಆಫನ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇನ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್, it incorporates a feedback mechanism which exposes the causes of poor quality and takes corrective action. Control differ from inspection as it ascertains quality characteristics of an item, compares the same with prescribed quality standards and separate defective items from non-defective ones. Inspection, however, does not involve any mechanism to take corrective action. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. ಮೊದಲು ನಾವು ಸೊ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು, ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಫ್ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. The various factors include material, tools, machines, type of labor, working conditions, measuring instruments, etc. Quality control can be defined as the entire collection of activities which ensures that the operations will produce the optimum quality products at minimum cost. So next is definition of quality control. As per AY figure by Miam, total quality control is an effective system for integrating the quality development, quality maintenance and quality improvements efforts of the various groups in an organization so as to enable production and services at the most economical levels which allow full customer satisfaction. In other words, Alford and Beatley, quality control may be broadly defined as that industrial management techniques means which products of uniform accepted quality are manufactured. Quality control is concerned with making things right rather than the discovering and rejecting those made wrong. In short, we can say that quality control is a technique of management for achieving required standards of product. So next is what are the factors affecting the quality? ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅಂಶಗಳು ಸೊ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿನ ಸೊ ಅಳಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧನ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಇನ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಟು ಮೀನ್ materials, machines and manufacturing conditions, there are some other factors which affect the product qualities. These are market research, that is in depth into demands of purchaser. Next is money, that is capable to invest. Next is management, that is management policies for quality level. So next is production methods and product design. Modern quality controls begins with an evolution of the customer's requirement and has to part to play at every stage from goods manufactured right through sales to a customer who remains satisfied. So next is what are the objectives of quality control? ಸೊ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲಿನ ಉದ್ದೇಶಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು ಅಂದರೆ ಟು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಬಲ್ ಟು ದ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲ್ ಟು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಟು solve any kind of deviations in the quality of the product during manufacturing. These are the objectives of quality control. So next is what are the functions of quality control department? So only the products of uniform and standard quality are allowed to be sold. So next function, to suggest method and any ways to prevent manufacturing difficulties. Next is to reject the defective goods so that the products of poor quality may not reach to the customers. To find out the points where the control is breaking down and to investigate the cause of it. So next function, to correct the rejected goods. If it is possible, this procedure is known as rehabilitation of defective goods. Next is, what are the advantages of quality control? So quality control ina ಅನುಕೂಲಗಳು ಏನೇನು ಅಂತ. So quality of product is improved, which in turn increase the sales. Naturally, so quality na ನಾವು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so increase the sales. Next is, scrap rejection and rework are minimized, thus reducing wastage. So the cost of manufacturing reduces. ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿನ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲನ್ನು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರ್ಯಾಪನ್ನು ನಾವು ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ವೇಸ್ಟೇಜನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಉತ್ಪಾದನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಗುಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಸ್ ರೆಪ್ಯುಟೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿನ ನಾವು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಿಗೆ ರೆಪ್ಯುಟೇಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. So next advantage, inspection cost reduces to a great extent. Next is, uniformity in quality can be achieved. So next advantage, improvement in manufacturer and consumer relations. So these are the advantages of quality control. So next is our topic, the session main ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಂಖ್ಯಾಶಾಸ್ತ್ರವನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಡೇಟಾ, a good amount of data to obtain reliable results. The science of statistics handles this data in order to draw a certain conclusion. Next is statistical quality control. This is a quality control system employing the statistical techniques to control quality by performing inspection, testing and analysis to conclude whether the quality of the product is as per the lead quality standards. So next is, using statistical techniques, statistical quality control collects and analyzes the data in assessing and controlling a product quality. The techniques of statistical quality control was though developed in 1924 by Dr. Walter A. Shorten, American scientist. It got recognition in industry only Second World War. The technique permits a more fundamental control. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಸೊ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದೆಲ್ಲ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದರೆ ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. The statistical quality control can be simply defined as an economic and effective system of maintaining and improving the quality of outputs throughout the whole operating process of specification, production and inspection based on continuous testing with random samples. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಯಾಲೂನ್ಚು. So next definition given by Eugene L. Grant. Statistical quality control should be viewed as a kit of tools which may influence decisions to the functions of specification, production or inspection. This is the definition given by Eugene L. Grant. So next is the fundamental basis of SQC. We can know the definition. So what are the definition? Okay. Next is SQC is the theory of probability. According to the theories of probability, the dimensions of the components made on the same machine and in one batch, that means if measured accurately, vary from component to component. This may be due to inherent machine characteristics or the environmental conditions. The chance or the condition that a sample will represent the entire batch or population is developed from the theory of probability. Relying itself on the probability theory, statistical quality controls evaluates batch quality and controls the quality of process and the products. SQC, nothing but statistical quality control, uses three scientific techniques, namely one is sampling inspection, next is number 2 analysis of the data, and the third is control chart. So these are the important topic in the cover in the statistical quality control. So what are the three? Sampling inspection, analysis of the data, next is control charting. So okay, thank you students.